I will have been there 20 years, volunteering for 20 years. And it's something that I love to do, right? I love to help people to find their loved ones because that's what we do. We're a recovery and we do a lot of recoveries, and that's what we do. But you know what? That's what I do, and I've done it for 20 years. And so I just took captain of it. And it's awesome when you have someone that puts into your people and let them grow and let them use their God-given talents to grow, right? And to give their talents to be able to use it for other people and use their strength. And when you find people and you let them use their strength, as a team, everyone grows, right? Now, is there times I might have to lead and guide? Sure there is. But if I just tell people, you got to come to me and you got to do it my way or the highway, well, guess what? I don't know everything. Even in business, even in a pressure washing Christmas light business, you will find someone that can answer that phone